Ayun, magkakilala na kami ni Bob. High school pa lang, magkaibigan kami.
Sobrang gandang-ganda talaga ako sa kanya nung high school. Very cute, tapos kung paano siya mag-smile, ngumiti, ganun. Nagkita ulit kami after ilang years ba no, graduate kami.
And ayun, dun ko na-discover yung side niya na di ko pa nakikita before. And nun lang niya inamin yung nararamdaman niya.
We've known each other 15 years, pero yung official na boyfriend-girlfriend, 23 years.
2010 pa. So, ayun, lalo akong na-in love kay Bob. Napaka-gentleman at napaka-caring, romantic, maalaga. Nagpapasalamat ako, nakilala kita, Bob. Ikaw yung pinakamagandang regalong binigay sa akin ng Diyos dito sa lifetime na ito. At patuloy pa tayong magsama, more adventures, more fun, at let's do life together. I love you so much, Bob.
Baba, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat. Thank you for everything. I'm super blessed to have you in my life. And always remember na I'm always here to support you and kakampi mo ako sa lahat. I love you and I will always be on your side. Love you.
And our Father's spoken, and this life we've chosen will help us follow your plan. And I can't profess that I understand it, but I see me holding your hand. Heaven made your hand to complement my hand, like heaven made my heart to complement your heart. Heaven gave you love to complement my love, so one day we will love the way that God intended for us. Make these hearts entwine with yours, Jesus, lead the way. What we've seen, all that we've learned, built up to this day. And our Father's spoken, and this life we've chosen will help us follow I can't profess that I understand it, but I see me holding your hand. Here we are, we found the day like we'd always prayed.